Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here in Tuesday morning. I wanted to pop in and see what new items they had to offer for Christmas. I had to silence the video guys due to the music being extremely loud in the store. But I have some music playing in the background, so I hope you enjoy. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Miss Queen B. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel again today, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye guys.
With the warmest smile, and from far away we hear bells that chime, stating Santa won't be late. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. In the falling snow, all the Christmas lights bring a special glow on a special night. Every child awake, for at Christmas time there is magic in the air. It's a time for joy, it's a time for peace. Let's give a voice to the ones in need. Let us say a prayer that this Christmas time bring the best of all in us. And deep in our hearts we will carry a song heard through the ages from angels on high. Let us gather round, for it's Christmas time. A merry sound and the stars alight. Let us all rejoice when it's Christmas time, and our hope again made new.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
forever.